Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Every Specialist. So this is some axles off of a Grand Design Reflection that's in here for an upgrade. And what I wanted to show you over here is, we're pulling everything apart. We're going to be putting on a Roadmaster suspension kit. But one of the things when the customer was last in is I said, hey, your leaf spring bushings are worn. Well, his leaf spring bushings, as you can see, are gone. There was none in there. So they were completely shot. As you come over here to this side, you can see whoever had it prior to him, so they just purchased it. Same thing, this one was gone. Over here on the opposite side, this one's still kind of partially here. You'll be able to see, so see how there's that little piece right there? Let me zoom in here. See how that is and see how the other half is gone, right? So basically that's what we're talking about. So when that happens, the spring is actually now jumping around inside on the bolt as well as on the hanger. It can cause hanger damage. Luckily for this gentleman, he didn't have any hanger damage. And same thing with this one. You can see inside here that the bushing is completely gone, right? There's no bushing left in there. Same thing with the other, that side had it and the other side did not. So the other thing too is, when we're checking out the brakes, we're looking at, you see the difference in how shiny it is right there on the brake shoe. So it's still got plenty of thickness of brake material left, but you see how that shininess is? That's called glazing. And then there's also some chunks that you can see that are out of the brakes. And so we're gonna go ahead and clean this up and scuff it up for him to get him by for one more wheel bearing pack service, maybe basically at a year from now. The guys will go back through and they'll scrub it all clean, rinse it all off with brake clean, rough up the pads or the shoes. And, of course, we're going to be replacing the Series 3000 with the Roadmaster, all new leaf springs. The leaf springs were pretty flat as well, so once the weight was on it, they were pretty much a goner. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, your RV Specialist. Have a great day, everybody.